In this video, I'm going to talk about the storage slot and the governance tools that we have here at Recon. The storage slot tool fundamentally is there to allow you to scrape values from storage slots. Currently, it allows you to fetch one slot at a time. If you need to extract bulk slots, let me know. We have a technique that was discovered by other researchers that we can also add to this tool. But say I'm looking at this mantle contract, MEF, which is upgradable. So I'm gonna just improvise it, so you're gonna see me struggle a bit. And what I would wanna do, first of all, is perhaps get the implementation. So as you can see, this is using EAP 1967. So what we will do is we would have to figure out the slot. And for our own convenience, I have put a few of these catchacks already here. So maybe we're lucky, and in this case we are. And so given this address, given this slot, we're able to get this. But say I want to figure out what's in slot 0, for example. I can literally just type, and you can see there's a 1. Likely it's the initialization. Slot 2 is 0. Likely this is 50 slots because it's an upgradable contract. And so maybe we can try and put some values, and you can literally try and guess these slots. Or, as I said here, you could basically provide all of these entries, and by doing that, you would try to find some of these values. Another way to do this will be for you to find the hash on their source. So in this case, we see the proxy admin, say, is here. So we can then find it in this way, and it likely matches with this button as well. So that's how you would use this tool, and it fundamentally is just a wrapper around this call. I was just so annoyed with having to open the terminal every time I'm looking at Etherscan, and so I built it. And this other tool comes for a very similar reason, is to scrape on OpenZeppelin roles. So I'm using the same contract here. And so you can see that we're gonna scrape the ABI to try and find any function with the name role at the end. That's a quick way, a quick heuristic to find roles. Then we have a hasher here to give you the hash of the role. And then given that, we actually have the option to fetch role members given a hash for enumerable contracts. So not every contract uses roles enumerable. And for those that are not, you would actually have to scrape the events. I wrote the code to do that, but it was super slow. You had to use a local node, so I didn't push it to prod. But if you need it, let me know. But that said, when you have an enumerable contract, you can just quickly get it. And now you can see that this is the only individual that has this role. And from here, you will likely continue with your due diligence.